Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to bridge crypto coins on Metamask. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to bridge crypto coins on Metamask? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Currently, we are in metamask.io in one of their guides. So this is how you bridge Metamask portfolio. So connect your Metamask wallet to portfolio.metamask.com. Click bridge to get started. Select the network you want to bridge your tokens from. For example, Ethereum. Select the network you want to bridge your tokens to. Example, Optimism. Select the token you want to bridge and enter the amount you want to send. Example, 0.01 ETH. And then afterwards, select the recommended route presented to you or another option by selecting choose a different code. Step 7 is select submit transaction to confirm your bridge transaction in your MetaMask wallet. And then last step, you'll be able to keep track of your transfer with the bridging in progress bar and view your assets on the new chain. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. We'll see you in the next one.